New by Waterbury clock. Mechanism is in very clean, good condition. Probably need to be just cleaned in gasoline and oiled. But all this metal stuff, design stuff, was painted by someone, so-called bronze paint. Looks like cheap, shitty plastic now. So I had to clean it. So it will look like this. That one is already cleaned. And cleaning wasn't easy. I had to literally burn all this paint. So that's what I will do next. And everything is there. Looks like original pendulum. Or maybe not, because it's regulated length. Bell, everything there. Original screws. This one was inside, but I don't know what is this. We'll find out later. And this is the case of the clock. See, all this original metal stuff is there, but it's painted with this ugly bronze paint by somebody. So everything taken apart. And here they painted without taking also furniture away. So this is the original color, how it looks like before. Now it's all faded. And first of all, I thought that that stupid military camouflage paint was made by some stupid teenager. It looks so weird. But after looking at researching some models online, I found out that they really produce this kind of a clock, painted clock. I don't know who was buying them, because you must have a very good imagination to imagine this is a marble or what else it can be. It pretends to be. So everything will be scratched out, and I will paint it in traditional black with marble columns. Okay, ready to make marble columns. The case is stripped and ready to be painted. First of all, I think maybe I will keep this camouflage paint, but then I decide to paint it traditionally black, because it just looks ugly. Not artistically ugly, but stupid ugly. And especially it made so rough that it did not even look like a stone or marble or anything else. Looks like this camouflage thing. All things are stripped from the case, cleaned from the crazy paint, and right now at least looks like a metal. Funny thing that these parts are so thin that they stem from thin foil. Maybe I'll put some kind of an epoxy inside so they will be more sturdy, but we'll see.
Well, now it looks like this. No more camouflage paint.